In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the scale tool in Figma, focusing on anchor points, resizing, and scaling objects. If you're looking to refine your design skills and work more efficiently with Figma, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and start by opening up Figma, which is well known for its collaborative interface design capabilities, trusted by designers worldwide. Once you've navigated to Figma's homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button. This step might seem straightforward, but it's essential to ensure you're accessing the right workspace where all your design files are stored. Now that we're logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. From here, you have access to recent files as well as shared team projects. To proceed with our demonstration today, what we want to do is click on the Design option. This will open up your project canvas where you'll be making all the magic happen. In your design area, select the frame or group that you want to work with. Figma's organizational approach allows you to select various frames or grouped elements, making it easier to manage complex designs. The next step is to press the K key on your keyboard. This is Figma's shortcut for activating the scale tool. Shortcuts like this one greatly accelerate your workflow, so it's helpful to get acquainted with them. After pressing K, you'll need to click on the scale tool that appears on your interface. This tool allows you to resize your selected objects while maintaining their proportions, an essential feature in modern design to ensure aesthetic consistency and balance. Now let's talk about anchor points. These are incredibly useful when you want to control the point from which an object scales. By clicking on anchor points, you can choose from multiple points around your selected object to anchor it, ensuring precision when transforming elements. Understanding and utilizing anchor points effectively can take your design capabilities to the next level, allowing you to achieve more complex and polished layouts. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to use the scale tool in Figma. Remember, practicing is key to getting comfortable with these tools, so don't hesitate to experiment with different frames and settings to see how they affect your design. Whether you're resizing, scaling, or adjusting anchor points, these skills will help you work more efficiently and creatively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your design process. Keep practicing and exploring the myriad of tools that Figma offers. Until next time, happy designing!